back to my channel. So I'm really excited to shoot this video because this is like a monthly favorites video, and in today's video I will share with you guys all of my July favorites, and this includes my favorite shows, makeup, skincare and one thing of food. So before going into the video, please subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me, and there are a lot of useful and fun and nice videos on my channel, and you won't regret subscribing to my channel. So please hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell right next to it. So without any further talking, let's get into the video. So the first favorite that I have from the month of July is this conditioner from Pantene. This is their Advanced Hair Fall Solution Pro V Hair Fall Control conditioner. So I had like heard a lot of good things about this conditioner, so I was like, why not try it, because like my hair is really frizzy और मतलब वो यहाँ उड़ जाते हैं छोटे baby hair. So I wanted a conditioner जिससे कि मेरा frizz अच्छे से tame हो जाए and मेरे बाल थोड़े से soft and smooth हो जाएं. So this was a very good choice to go for, and मैंने इसको like recently try करना start किया. I used it for around like 4-5 times and I'm really happy with it. I also like using it as like a reverse conditioning shampoo, like where you put conditioner on your dry hair before you take a shower. So it just makes your hair really nice and tamed, and ऐसे लगता है कि आप बिल्कुल salon से निकल के आए हो, which is like not impossible, but you should avoid doing that right now. So no going to the salon, just go and buy this conditioner and you are good to go. So the next favorite that I have for this month is this Color Bar का nail paint. Color Bar के nail paints are really good. बहुत अच्छी variety में उसके colors होते हैं, and 2 coats में उसका बहुत अच्छे से pigment भी आ जाता है सारा, and ये अच्छे से dry out हो जाते हैं, which is like my biggest pet peeve कि nail paint जो है वो dry out नहीं होते, and then उस पे पूरा texture आ जाता है either of your hair or your bed sheet or what not. So I really like nail paints जो जल्दी से dry हो जाएं, and this is one such nail paint, and ये अफोर्डेबल भी है, अराउंड 200 के, एंड आपको डिस्काउंट में आराम से 150 या 120 की मिल जाएगी. सो इसका शेड है पर्पल मिटन्स, सच अ क्यूट नेम, एंड ये मैंने अभी लगा रखी है. आई होप यू कैन सी इट, एंड आई रियली लाइक इट. अच्छा प्यारा सा पॉप ऑफ कलर है, एंड लाइक बहुत ज़्यादा चटकीला भी नहीं, सो आई रियली लाइक इट. सो दैट वाज माई सेकेंड थिंग, दैट वाज माई जुलाई फेवरेट. द थर्ड थिंग दैट आई हैव इज अ स्किन केयर फेवरेट, एंड दिस इज द Pond's Super Light Gel. Oh my god, this is so hyped and so raved about. It is hyped, but it is a really nice product. If you can see, इसका बिल्कुल ऐसे gel like consistency है. इसका fragrance कभी थोड़ा सा I find it overpowering, but it's still very nice. बहुत ही अच्छे से skin में like melt हो जाता है, and it's really lightweight but still it's very moisturizing. Like if you put aloe vera gel on your face, बाद में it doesn't feel that moisturized, but with this it just sinks into the skin and उससे skin बहुत ज़्यादा moisturized भी लगती है. So I really like it. बहुत ही lightweight है, इससे like you won't sweat and stuff, so it's really good for summers and humid times. So yeah, that was my skincare favorite. So I just have this only skincare favorite for the month of July. Moving on to makeup. The first favorite that I have is not like only a monthly favorite, but it's like my holy grail. This is the NYX HD concealer, and this is in the shade 04 beige. और मुझे ये concealer बहुत टाइम से पसंद है. इसका shade something like this. इसकी coverage is medium to full coverage, and your under eyes will look filtered if you apply this concealer. And mind you guys, I have like super dry under eyes, and ये मेरे under eyes को dry out नहीं करता. You can just use a small amount, और ये मेरे under eyes को बहुत अच्छे से highlight कर देता है, because this is kind of like a highlighting shade for me. So yeah, this is a really nice concealer, और ये like discount पे आपको 350 का मिल जाएगा. That is how cheap it is, and it is so good. It's an amazing quality product. So the second makeup favorite that I have is a very recent one, like I just recently started using this one. So the second makeup favorite that I have is like a really recent one. I just received it lately and I have been using it since then. This is the MAC highlighter. So I got like a foundation and a Fix Plus from Nykaa's Pink Friday sale, and I got this highlighter free on it. This is like a full size product, so yeah, it's a win-win situation. And I was like, I don't know if the shade is good or not. I was like a bit skeptical when I got it, but जब मैंने इसको swatch किया, it's so pretty. Oh my god, first of all, look at that shift पिंक से गोल्डन में. oh my god, it's so stunning. and इसके ऊपर एक पैटर्न है, यहाँ पे मैक लिखा हुआ है. just show you guys the swatch. Can you see how blinding that is? This highlighter is on my face right now and you can see how blinding it is. This is like my first ever high-end highlighter and I really love it. So the next thing that I have is a makeup brush, and if you guys follow me on Instagram, you know that I do a lot of eye makeup looks. I just love doing eye makeup looks. So मुझे बहुत सारे blending brushes and precise brushes and all, I just need them in my life. So this is one such brush. I really like it. This is from ProArt PE23. ये एक blending brush है. Like it's not very thick, it's not very thin, it's somewhere in between. But ये brush eye shadows को इतने अच्छे से blend करता है, and I think this is the perfect ब्रश फॉर ब्लेंडिंग. अगर आपको एक ब्लेंडिंग ब्रश लेना है तो यू कैन टोटली गो फॉर दिस वन. इसके ब्रिसल्स बहुत सॉफ्ट हैं एंड बहुत ही स्टर्डी ब्रश है और बहुत अच्छा है. सो आई थिंक ब्रशेज आर एन इन्वेस्टमेंट और ये बहुत टाइम चल जाते हैं. सो या, दिस वॉज माई वन ऑफ माई मेकअप फेवरेट्स. सो नेक्स्ट थिंग दैट आई हैव इज दिस लिप बाम. तो ये लाइक लिप केयर कैटेगरी में भी एक चीज़ हो गई. सो this is how it looks like. ये कौन सा वेरिएंट है? This is the Cherry Shine. I've been using Nivea के lip balms for a very long time. इसमें बहुत ही लाइट सा टिंट है एंड ये बहुत हेवीली मॉइस्चराइज कर देता है आपके लिप्स को. एंड व्हेन यू वेक अप इन द मॉर्निंग तो आपके लिप्स बहुत ही अच्छे मॉइस्चराइज्ड होते हैं. स्टिल Nivea के प्रोडक्ट्स बहुत अच्छे होते हैं एंड दिस इज वन ऑफ माई फेवरेट प्रोडक्ट्स फ्रॉम देयर. So the next favorite that I have is the most random one. It's a food favorite. So this is the Nilon Szechuan chutney. I asked my mom to get a Szechuan sauce, so she got this one, and this is more like a desi Szechuan sauce. This is not like your other Szechuan chutneys, the Ching's one or the Kisan one. Those are like really spicy. I like them, but वो बहुत ज़्यादा spicy होते हैं तो मैं उतना खा नहीं सकती. This one on the other hand is not that spicy and इसका flavor मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. This retails for ₹65 and आप इसको like किसी भी grocery store से खरीद सकते हो. So that was my food favorite for July. So the last thing that I want to share with you guys is a show. So I watched a Korean series that is called One Spring Night on Netflix, and it has just one season and around I think 16 episodes of 1 hour each, 1 hour or more than 1 hour each. So it's a really nice and cute love story, and Korean series are actually really cute. So I watched it recently and I really like it. उसके songs बहुत अच्छे हैं. So if you guys want to watch it, you can go ahead and watch it on Netflix. So those are all my favorites for this July month. So if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and do not forget to comment down below how you found this video and what was your favorite thing amongst all my favorites. You can also drop video suggestions in the comment section below if you guys want me to do any video. I will love to do it. And as I always say, thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in my next one. Till then, bye bye.